Hello guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, and in this video I will try to answer a question. It's always the same question, and I will try just to make clarifications on what this resistance line is, okay, and how do you get to this resistance line. We have support line also, okay. These lines, the resistance line and support lines, are just imaginary lines that you put on your chart, okay, looking always on the price. I will give you an example. If your stock, for example, is going up, so you don't know, you just search, you find a stock, you like it, okay, you see it on your chart. You find that the stock is going, for example, from $20 to $30, okay, and then one day it stops going up, and then it goes down for a few days, okay. Now that price, the highest price of that day, you make the line. You draw a line. For example, let's say we say that the stock goes from 10, it goes to 30. Let's say it's $30, 1 cent. Okay, just an example. Now, after a few days, you put it in your watch list. In a few days, it goes down. Okay, and then it begins to go up. Now, when it reaches the old price, which is $30, 1 cent, and it goes up, this is where the people buy. The people are buying are professional, like me, like anyone else, okay? That's why I am always searching for stocks. It happens, these stocks, it happens in one day, okay? It could be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years. Stocks sometimes reach a price, and after 10 years, after going down 10 years, they go up until they reach that price again, okay. So you find that almost all the people, professional people, okay, I'm not speaking about, because most of the beginners, they like stocks that go down and will go up. They think they are smarter than the market. They think they will buy from the bottom and they can go all the way to the highest price. Okay, that's why a lot of people, a lot of my subscribers, a lot of my videos, when they send me stocks or just names of companies or stocks like this, and they say, what do you think about this? Whenever I see those stocks, a stock was $90, I find it now is $5. And I ask the person, why are you chasing losers? This stock was $90 last year. Today is $2. Why you are buying it? It means it might go down and down and down until the company get bankrupt or get enlisted from the exchange. People, they don't know what's going on. When a company lost a lot of price in the stock, okay, they're losing business. These people, they don't understand that the stock itself, the stock, it means when you say a share, it's a share of a company. If the share is going up, the price is going up, the company becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and appreciated by big investors. That's why the investors, they get attracted to companies that are doing good. Now, since you are not an investor because you don't have that much money, you have $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, you don't have that much money to lock for the whole life. So you just trade. Now, when you trade, you should look for these companies that you see the price is appreciating day by day. For me, it It's rare I buy a stock that's going down. It's rare. I rarely buy from support line. I rarely. Exception when I see something that attracts me. Okay? But most of the time I don't. For me, I buy higher and higher. Higher and higher. The stock last year it was $10. Today is $20. I buy it. Yesterday it was 100. Today is 150. I buy it. I buy stocks that go up. I don't buy stocks that go down. When they go down, I short them. This is a normal thing. Something is going up and you wait until it goes down and then you buy it. Why you wait until it goes down? If it goes down, it means there is a problem in the company. Now, we resume back to our resistance line. We say when a stock is going up for many days and then it stops, the high of the day is called the resistance line. You put a line and then the stock is going down for many days and then it goes up. If it goes over the resistance line, it could be a buy. But not all the stocks that reach resistance line are good stocks. Okay? And this, a lot of people, they ask me, because I can't give you my strategy for free. This is impossible. Okay? I can't give you just details on what are the stocks that I am looking for. I'm looking, yes, for the stocks that reach resistance line. But I can't give you details on my strategy. It means I can't give you something that costs money for free. So a lot of things, a lot of charts that I show you, almost all of them, I have traded those stocks. It means it's a real thing. It's not just I go and I search any stock and I say, oh, this is the stock. No, for me, I'm trading. I'm not waiting for someone to tell me which stock to buy, which stock to sell. So for me, it's daily activity. That's why I put this paid service, which is stock picks alerts. The stock that I send to people, I buy by myself. Okay? Or I buy some of them because sometimes it's a lot. Now, in order to get an idea on what are those stocks, you should either check my videos. Okay? Check almost all my videos. You see almost all the stocks are going up. And someone asks me, where do you find this kind of stocks? Oh, they're going up. We search and we find stocks that are going down. Because the way you search is false. You don't know how to search for this kind of stocks. Because you don't have a clear strategy. You don't know how. And this is very simple. Now, if you don't know how, you should learn. Either you learn from my videos, you have an idea. You have a general idea. You cannot have a specific idea because for me, I give too much free information. But there are some kind of information I can't. That's why I teach. Okay, I teach 1-to-1 like training course. Okay, and someone told me, oh, you are selling books or you are teaching. So why is that? Why is that? I have time. My trading, all my trading in the day is 2 hours, from 2 to 4. That's it. I don't spend the whole day because I'm not doing day trading. Okay? If it is day trading, I should be doing the morning, because the morning is where we have the activity for stocks. So day traders are always ready, and they wake up early for the news that are governing the stocks. If it is bad news and they see stocks going down, they short them in the morning before the market opens. These are professional day traders. Their life is based on the news. They always watch news. For me, I don't watch news. I don't follow people what they say about the stock. I don't. If you tell me, for example, fundamentals about company. This company is good. This company is good. This company has good earnings. It has a very nice CEO. He is the nicest and handsome man in the world, and he has made billions of dollars. And he has, and he has, and he has, and the company has made earnings and all that stuff. And a lot of analysts, they recommend buy. Okay? And mutual fund, buy it. And you tell me all this stuff, but you can't convince me to buy it, because when I see the chart, I see the stock going down, I would never buy it. Even if you pay me, you say I pay you, just buy it, I would not buy it. Why? Because it's conviction. I can't buy something that it is a loser. That's why people are always confused. They don't know why, which one to choose, and because there is no thing as a sure thing. Okay? If I show you a stock that I say I bought it last week and I sold it. Now when I sold it for a reason, because for me I think it will not go up anymore and goes down. So I sold it, I have my profit, that's it. Now if you come and you buy that stock, and after a few days it will go down and you lose money. Okay? You see the difference? You say, oh, you buy this stock and I buy it. Okay? I don't ask anyone to buy stocks that are that I show in my videos, because these are, I sold them and I show you and I tell you why I sold them, and I tell you if they are going to go up again, I will buy them. In certain circumstances, I will buy always stocks that go down a little bit and go up. So for me, if I buy long, it means for many days, many weeks, many months, what I should do? I should follow those stocks that are what we call leaders. Okay? They are leaders. Each week, each two, they make a new high. What does it mean when you go high? It means the stock is going up and up and up. Look at Google, for example. Okay? It was some dollars, and now, and before the split, which is like last month, it goes to $1,100 and $1,200 a share. Now they split it into two. Okay, no problem. You see that? It means the stocks that go up, and there is no limit. Don't say when the stock is going up, you say overbought. It's oversold. Don't follow these people, because if you follow this kind of indicators, overbought, oversold, MACD, indicators, moving averages, if you are following this, you will never make the money. Believe me, because if it is true, why we have more than 300 indicators right now. Okay, 300. If one is good, why we have more than 300 indicators? Because an indicator, what is it? It's just a combination of the close price. You can make an indicator and you give it a name and you put it in the market and say, okay, when it crosses, buy. When it crosses again, sell. Moving averages. You find hundreds of moving averages. One is 50, one is 200, one, I don't know people, how do they make money on this? Okay? When it crosses, buy. Okay. When it crosses, it buy, because the stocks is going up. But suppose it's going down. It means it crosses again, it goes down. So people, they don't understand how these moving averages and how these indicators are working. Any indicator, any moving averages, it shows you only the price. It doesn't predict. If it predicts, oh, you become rich. And suppose that it predicts to go, that it crosses and it goes up. Next day, a big guy who has millions of shares in this stock. Okay, the stock is too much, and he make a good profit, like 100%, 200% in this stock, and he has too much money in this stock. Now tomorrow he decided to sell off. Now, can your indicator or can your moving averages stay going up and asks you to stay in this stock? No, it will crosses again and it will go down, and you get astonished. You say, why is this moving averages I bought the stock according to it, and they say to me, if they crosses up, go and buy. I bought, as they say. But why I am losing money? You are losing money because you think that these moving averages bring you money. And it is not. It is not. If you are following all this stuff, it's rare that you make the money. Sometimes you make the money just for luck and hope that the stock is going up. That's why people who rely on hope and they rely on luck, they will never make it in trading, especially in trading. In investing, you are half-half. If you buy a stock today and you wait 10 years, 20 years, if you are lucky it goes up, you can make some money. But suppose it goes down. What you should do? You should wait 10 years, 20 years. You put, for example, all your wealth. You put, for example, $100,000 in a stock. And you put your hands on your heart. And you hope that this stock will go up and up and up. And each day you go to your account and you see that much money. But one day, someone, like a mutual fund, as he bought this stock like 10 years ago, he sell it so hard that you lose all your profit and you begin to lose all your money after 10 years or 20 years waiting for this stock. That's why don't see like these guys, Warren Buffett and the other guys. These people have bought in the 50s parts of a company. He bought the whole company. It's not, he didn't buy 100 shares, 200 shares, and then he become a billionaire right now. What did he buy? He bought 10%, 50%, 20% of a company. It means he can decide for the company. He can change things in the company. He can fire the CEO in the shareholders meeting. You understand this? People are big. They have too big money and they buy companies. Like, for example, right now, all the big companies, they buy small companies. Okay? Because they need them and they are successful. They buy them in order to make it. Like, for example, Google bought YouTube. YouTube is one of the biggest companies, like a video provider. And there are billions of people each day watching video. That's why Google wants this kind of people. They want traffic, okay, to make money. And then that's why Google, you see this year's the stock rose. It means from 600, 700 goes to $1,100 or $1,200. Okay, so we go again to our beginning video. The resistance line. Not any stock that goes to resistance line is a stock that you could buy. Okay? Because if you buy any stock each day, I can show you 20, 30, 100, 200, 300 stocks that reaches the resistance line and go up. But from this 300, I may choose 5. I see them all what is moving in the market. I see them. Okay, because I search. You, for example, you don't search, you don't take time to search, and you don't have the ability to know which stocks are going up or going down, because you don't have a strategy, you don't know how to enter, you don't know how to get out from the stock, so you can't make it, and you can't find those stocks. Okay? So it needs time to learn these techniques and to learn these skills. The market is always having good stocks, but it's up to you to find them. If you don't know how to search, okay? It's like when you see something very, very tiny, when you need a microscope. It's something that's so tiny that you can't see with your eyes. So what you should do, you should use a tool, a chart, a screening website that gives you these things that are hidden. You don't know about them. And they give you the stocks that are looking for. And then you search. Because there's one guy who sent me an email and asked me, what do you think about this screening website? Now screening website is what you are looking for. You find a lot of criteria, and it depends on you what you are looking for. Okay? But the website doesn't show you what are the best stocks because they don't know. And no one knows. People, they apply their strategy and follow them. If they are making money, they are successful traders. If they are not making money, they are losers. That's it. There are only two things. Some people who are making the money because of the market, or the money in the market. Some are making money, others are losing money. That's it. So it depends on you to be in which side. If you want to be with the side of professional traders, so you should be a professional trader. How? You should learn. This is not in one day, 1 month or two that you become a professional trader. Believe me, it takes time. So don't rush. Learn, trade, see your mistakes, correct your mistakes. If you don't know, you should ask other people who knows better than you, and don't be stubborn. I have seen a lot of, not just a lot of, few people who are so stubborn. It means you show them the way and they still, okay? They still. I ask them, for example, don't trade penny stocks because you are not professional. You don't know what you are doing. But they go to penny stocks and they lose a lot of money. And they say, stop losing money. Choose other kind of stocks that are better. But because some people, they have no money in their accounts, they try to go to these. They think they are cheap, but they are so risky. If you go to a trade and you put $5,000 and tomorrow you lose 20% or 30% or 50% of your money, it's too much money. So the risk is so high. So people, they don't understand the risk. They see only the reward. That's why it is a big problem. Before you do any trade, you should see the risk first. How much I lose if the stock is against me? How much I lose? This is the first thing about. Because when it goes up, the profits take care of themselves. So you don't worry about the profits, because the profits, when the stock is going up, you are making money each day. You do nothing. What can you do? The stock is going up, and you are making money each day. So why you worry? You don't worry at all. But if the stock is going against you, each day you are losing money. So you should do something. Okay? You should minimize your loss every time. You shouldn't stay in a loser. If you stay in a loser, you will lose your shirt. Okay? Especially when you are a woman, you lose a shirt. Okay, it's very hard. It's a very hard thing. Okay. Now, man, I says someone he told me, oh, I go to the beach, I swim, I lose my shirt. It's not a problem. Yes, but if you lose other things, okay, your short or something, I don't think that you are naturalist or something. So when I say you lose your shirt, that means you will have pain because you lose too much money. Okay? So there are some people they subscribe to my monthly subscription alert, which is stocks. If you try to find or to search similar stocks like what I do, you can just subscribe for only 1 month and try to check these kind of stocks. You will see that all my stocks have the same characteristics. They go up when I am going up. All. And they are making new highs. New highs, what does it mean? It means this for example, a stock that it is right now, today, for example. Let's say the stock is, you take is, for example, it's $50. Now, $50, it has never seen before. It's always a new price. Okay? That's why I'm going higher and higher and higher. And this stock that go higher and higher and higher, what does it mean? It means there are a lot of people buying that stock. That's why it's going up. And that's mean it's a good company. For me, I'm not interested if it's a good company or it's not a bad company. For me, it doesn't matter because I don't see the company name. Some people, they sell to me, they send me a company, like a name of the company. I say, excuse me, always send me just the ticker. I don't need the company because I will not search for the company ticker. Send me only the ticker or the symbol. What's the symbol? Like Facebook, FB. Okay, don't write Facebook Inc. and because I don't understand this and I don't want to waste my time learning the names of companies. I don't care. Okay, it's just trading. It's just you are here to make money, not to be an analyst. So if you want to become an analyst and you become famous, so you should go and follow this kind of stocks and you give your opinion about them, and you should know a lot about the fundamentals of the company. But for me, I am not an analyst and I don't follow companies, earnings, stuff, CEO. I don't see that all. I see only the ticker. If the company is going up in its price, I am buying. If it's going down, I short it. Is that clear? Yes. Thank you very much.